So Reggae Boy's assistant and national under-20 coach, John Wall, has been talking a Cro-Coz bag of things relating to youth development in Jamaica. The most basic one, of course, is that schoolboy football is not the answer to our development challenges. Coach Wall went on to recommend that our young football talent should be playing more top quality competitive hours in keeping with international best practices. Mr. Wall went further to suggest that the best of our young players should be playing Premier League football from as early as 15 as 2 or 3 years of Premier League level football would give them some reasonable developmental playing time. Wow! And here was the Maverick thinking, I was thinking Maverick, by saying 17 and 18-year-olds should be playing in our Premier League. John Wall dropped it to 15. The fact of the matter is, though, the principle remains. For want of getting overseas contracts or college scholarships, our best young players should be playing our highest level of football, which is the Premier League. I'm going to give John Wall a call.